Our model of Earth's atmosphere shows different layers: troposphere for weather, stratosphere for plains, mesosphere for meteorites, thermosphere for satellites, exosphere for rockets.
This model helps us to explore ancient civilizations through showcasing key features. This Harappan era comes with the impressive Great Bath and interrogated steps.
Everybody, my name is Lemonica from class 4th B. My topic is पर्यायवाची. ऐसे शब्द जिनका अर्थ समान हो उन्हें पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं, जैसे सूरज, दिनकर, दिवाकर, भानु, भास्कर, आदित्य, पानी, जल, नीर, अम्बु, तोया आदि. थैंक यू.
Firstly, I would like to thank our school for organizing this truly excellent science exhibition. It was really nice exhibition. So many projects were there. So many parents and outsiders came. And I would like to thank all the Winsome team's hard work for making all the projects. Thank you.
Some international school is going great, and the way they have prepared their student with the art crafts, with science and all the operation knowledge, it is commendable, and I wish them all the best. The way they are putting their values into their education system, I'm sure it is going to make a very prosperous country, and long way to go. All the best.